Hi, Greenie! Today, I'll show you an easy way to do division called circling.
Ooh, how does it work?
It's super simple. All we do is make dots and then circle them. Want me to show you an example?
Yes, please. I'm excited to try it.
Alright, let's start with 8 divided by 4. So, the first number is 8. That means we'll make 8 dots. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Okay, so we have 8 dots. What's next?
Now, we look at the second number, which is 4. That means we're going to circle groups of 4 dots.
Got it. I'll help circle. 1, 2, 3, 4. Circle. 1, 2, 3, 4. Circle.
Perfect! Now, we count the circles. How many circles do we have?
1, 2. 2 circles.
That's right. So, 8 divided by 4 equals 2.
Wow, that was easy. So, we just make dots, circle groups, and then count the circles?
You got it! Want to try another one together?
Yes, please.
Let's try 12 divided by 3 this time. So, what's our first step?
Make dots. The first number is 12, so I'll make 12 dots. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12.
Good! What's next?
Circle groups. The second number is 3, so I'll circle groups of 3.
Nice! And what do we do after that?
Count the circles. 1, 2, 3, 4. 12 divided by 3 equals 4.
Awesome work, Greenie! You're really getting it! Now it's time to try some on your own. Questions will pop up, and you can take your time to work them out. Just say your answer when you find it.
Got it!
10 divided by 5.
It's 2.
9 divided by 3.
Three.
8 divided by 2.
Four.
15 divided by 5.
Three.
20 divided by 4.
It's 5.
Awesome work, Greenie. Before we say goodbye, tell me, what did you like best today?
I loved learning division with circling. It's so easy with 3 steps. Make dots, circle groups, and count the circles.
I'm so glad you had fun. You did amazing. Next time, we'll try another way to divide, using skip counting.
Hi everyone! How did you do with division today? I hope you had a fantastic time. More division fun is waiting for us. See you soon!